Hello everyone. Welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we will see how to see who viewed your Facebook story if they are not friends. So, let's get into it. First, open your Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in to your account. Next, tap on the Your Story section at the top of your news feed. This will open up your current story and any previous ones from the past 24 hours. Now, look for the View option at the bottom left corner of your story. This option shows how many people have seen your story. Tap on it to view the list of viewers. In the viewer list, you will see the list of people who have seen your story. Here, scroll down to the end of the list and see the Others option with a specific number. This number indicates the number of non-friend viewers. Keep in mind, you cannot see the profiles of non-friend viewers who viewed your stories. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.